Along your trading journey, you will come into many popular trading strategies. Many will have success using these methods. However, your success will look different from others. You have to decide the best strategy for you. It may even come down to having to create one. There are some factors to think about when creating one, such as your lifestyle, personality type, and resources. We will run through some of the most popular trading strategies. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's invest. Strategy 1. Day trading. Day trading is also known as intraday trading. This strategy works best for traders whose goal is for it to become a full-time profession and want to trade actively in the daytime. They take advantage of market fluctuations between opening and closing hours, resulting in holding multiple positions open for a day without leaving positions open overnight. They typically have an organized trading plan that adjusts to fast market movements. Also, trading news is one of their most popular techniques. Strategy 2. Swing trading. A trading style that focuses on catching short-term or medium-term gains. However, holding position as long as days, several weeks, or a couple of months. They tend to utilize both fundamental and technical analysis, but many use technical for trading opportunities, looking at the market oscillations as price swings back and forth to their advantage. Swing traders define the support and resistance levels because they are the length and duration of each swing. Strategy 3. Trend trading. Trend trading involves traders identifying the trend before placing a trade. Traders may use technical indicators, but the trades are placed according to the trend from start to finish. This strategy can be used regardless of the time frame or style of trader. It's usually adopted by traders who prefer a position trading or swing trading style. Strategy 4. Scalping. A trading style that specializes in profiting off of small price changes and making a fast profit off reselling. Scalpers focus on making high volumes of small profits with a strict exit strategy. If they don't, one large loss could eliminate a day's worth of their gains. Having great stamina to place many trades is required for this strategy. Strategy 5. Position. A trading strategy where traders are holding trades for long periods of time, usually months and years. They ignore minor price fluctuations due to zoning in on the goal, a favorable profit from the long-term trend. Their technique is used as fundamental analysis, but they analyze past market trends and historical patterns. Strategy 6. News. News trading consists of placing trades according to the market and news releases, such as global economic data and geopolitical events. You will need access to the news as soon as it's released. Then make a quick judgment call to trade, focusing primarily on fundamental to determine market direction. Then, use technical analysis to confirm any predicted trends. There are two main categories for the news: unscheduled and scheduled. Unscheduled news happens unexpectedly and will catch many traders off guard, with the possibility of creating a drastic market reversal. However, scheduled news is an announcement released by the government that traders and investors are aware of. For example, president election updates. This is information that is provided to the public. Remember, your country news may not be the only factor that affects the market. Other countries' news can affect your market. So, try to make yourself aware of other market information. Strategy 7. End of day. End of day traders study price action for placing trades near the close of the markets, compared to using the previous day's price movements. They are activated when its clear price is settled or close. It might be in your best interest to create risk management orders, such as limit order or stop loss order. This style of trading requires less time commitment than other trading strategies. You would only be focusing on charts at their opening and closing times. When selecting or creating a trading strategy, it doesn't need to be complicated. Try to make it adaptable. The market will change, whether you're in it or not. Be patient. Becoming a successful trader is about discipline and consistency. Therefore, it's a good idea to learn many different strategies that will create the ultimate strategy that works best for you.